Hello everyone, welcome to the Creative Grassroots Garden. I'm in Growing Zone 9, located in Northeast Florida. My name's Jen, and in today's video I'll be sharing a few different melon varieties I'll be planting from seed for a spring and summer harvest. Starting off, I'll be using a loose, light, airy soil mixture to help my seeds germinate easily. There's a wide range of melon varieties to choose from for your backyard gardening. Melons come in many different colors, shapes, textures, and of course taste. The first melon I'll be planting is a rare exotic variety, and it's called the tiger melon. This bright colored melon grows to the size of a softball and averages 1 pound. The melon has a creamy off-white flesh that is juicy and sweet, and with flavor that has been compared to an Asian pear or a cantaloupe. Next, I'll be planting a watermelon called the Snow White Giant. This beautiful watermelon variety has a white skin and a beautiful red flesh. I'm looking forward to giving this heirloom variety a try. Up next is called the Golden Midget Watermelon. This melon has a salmon pink flesh and is pleasantly sweet. The melons average 3 to 5 pounds, and this melon is high in vitamins A and C. Next, I'll be planting Sugar Baby Watermelon. This variety is juicy and crisp with a classic sweet watermelon flavor. These melons average 7 to 8 inches across. The next variety is known as one of the most colorful melons, and it's called the Kajari Melon. This variety has a pale green flesh that is sweet and aromatic. These melons are said to be delightfully fragrant, and they are beautiful. The next variety is another softball-sized melon with an intense aroma. The Charentai's melon is a French cantaloupe. They are super sweet with a lovely fragrance. Down in the description, I'll leave a link for all the different varieties I have growing. Up next, I have 2 different varieties of honeydew melon. This first variety has ridges on the skin, better known as a wrinkled rind. And my second honeydew variety has a smooth rind. Next up, I'll be planting some cantaloupe seeds from fruit that was purchased at my local supermarket. The seeds were first washed, then dried with a paper towel. From there, the seeds were then stored in a cool, dry place. If you have any suggestions on melons that you enjoy growing, let me know down in the comments below. Last up is my watermelon seeds. These seeds were saved from a huge watermelon, and I'm hoping they produce the same. Last thing to do is to give these a healthy sip of water. In a few weeks, I'll share the progress my melons are making. I hope everyone's having a beautiful day. I'm Jen from the Creative Grassroots Garden, and I'll see y'all next time.